What's up, guys? Bobby K here, man, from Pip Syndicate. I made a video on the 3rd of January showing my win rate from last year, from 2024, and it was over 96%. So, of course, I've been getting a lot of questions about that. Okay, it was hundreds of trades taken, and the win rate was over 96%, which is pretty damn good, I would say. So I wanted to make a video showing exactly how I did that, and how I was trading to get that win rate. So let's say you open the chart right now. I got this already marked out, guys. This is not a trade I took. I just went back in the chart. And let's say I just came to the chart now, right? It's like 9 in the morning. Open the chart. I'm getting ready for the New York Open. I'm looking at NAS. And I see, all right, look, it came down a lot already, right? It fell a lot. It's forming a support here. So I'm going to take a buy. Okay, I decide I'm going to take a buy right here. So I take a buy, no stop loss. This is my TP1. This is my final TP. I have it marked here. If it goes against me, this is where I'm going to get in. So that's my plan. Okay, I'm using a small lot size, guys. Okay, you got to use a small lot size. This is for if you want to compound your account. Just keep taking wins. Keep taking wins. As your account grows, you can grow the lot size, But you're going to use like a 0.01, I would recommend for if you got $2,000, you're trading with a 0.01, especially on NAS. I only trade usually NAS. Actually, that's not true, but I mostly trade NAS, US 30, and gold. Okay, and I trade live every day, guys. So if you want to come and do this with me, give me a like and a subscribe and set the alerts. I usually come on around 9. I think I'm going to start coming on again in the afternoon, though, in the near future. So set the alerts, guys. And if you want to trade with me, you're welcome to trade with me, guys. So let's go through this trade. Okay, I want to show you exactly what I would do here. Okay, right there, I would enter. Okay, I decided I'm going to buy. This is where I wanted to buy, right at this this support here. Okay, so let's let it play out. Okay, it went against me. We're in drawdown. No big deal. Okay, let me pause it. Now, this is I selected this area because I went back on the chart. After I enter a trade, I usually go back to the 15-minute or the 30-minute. I find a nice level down here where I'm going to, if it goes against me, I'm going to take another buy. Okay, and if let's say I'm going out now, I would have set an alert here and a TP up there where my TP is, and I would just go about my day. I wait till I either get alert or it's going to hit TP. Okay, right here I would have gotten alert. I would have jumped on my phone. It would have said buy NAS on the alert. I'll take another buy on NAS. Okay, so now I'm in here. I'm hoping it'll come back up to here. All right, let's play it. Let's play it out. It goes against me again. Okay, let me pause it. Okay, I would have had another alert here. Once I open this trade, I would have put another alert here. Same thing. I found another level. You don't want to put them too close together, guys. These are, this is like 150 pips here. Oh, hold on. Oh, it keeps doing that. Oh, let's see. All of these entries, all these trades are like 150 pips. That's 143 right there. Figure 140, 130, whatever. You don't want to put one, you don't want to be entering every candle. That's how you blow your account. But now we got 3 entries on NAS. Okay, we're in drawdown, but we got 3 entries. All right, let's go. I entered here. Now I'm in another drawdown, you see. But my other zone is all the way down here. It never made it down there. It started to reverse. So let's let it play out. Okay, boom. Let me pause it. Now, right here, I would probably close. Okay, because I'd be in break even on this trade. I would take this 140 pips, whatever it was. And the reason why I would do that is because if it comes back down here again, I'm going to enter again, you know? So I would probably put this in the bank and then just let it run out. Let's see what happens. That's consolidating a little. Okay, we're in profit on the second trade. Now, right around here, guys, we're probably break even for the whole 3 trades. You know, we already banked, what, 150, 140 pips, whatever it was. We could close anywhere here and be in profit. But I'm not going to close. I'm going to hold. So this is a slow one, but there it is. All right, it just broke out. All right, so now the second trade would have closed. Right, full profit. Let me slide this one over too. Hold on. Sorry, guys. I know the video production isn't that good. I'm a bit of a caveman, but I'm just trying to show you, you know, the way my mind works and the way these trades work. All right, so I would have, actually, let me see how many pips this is. You know, let me slow down. I get excited when I'm making videos. I'm not used to it. So this right here, this trade is like 165 pips, right? The other one was 150, whatever. So we'll call it 300 pips, right? Right to break even. Okay, break even for the original trade is right around here. So you could have actually, and sometimes I will. See the way this busted right through? I wouldn't have closed because I could see this thing wants to go up. But if this thing came here, just went into a couple pips profit here, I would have closed the whole thing. I would have had 3 wins. This would have been plus 10 or whatever, plus 5, plus 10. And I would be up 300 and something pips. But the way this came up, I'd probably hold here. And, you know, any time I could close here. If this starts messing around like this, I'm not going to let it go negative. You know, it starts doing this. I'll watch it. If I'm watching, if not, I'll just close it if I'm going out or something, or I'll just put my stop loss in profit here. You know, 5 pips or whatever, set my TP and go about my business. But that's how I do it, guys, every day. So it's some people call it grid trading. It's not really grid trading because grid trading is when you usually use a bot and you're taking an entry like every 30 pips or a set amount. Okay, I set the zones off of structure, you know. Like if I would have entered here now and it went against me, I would probably have another entry right here. You know, I would have it right here at this this support here, you know, probably right here, you know, at this support. And that's how I do it, guys. And that's how I'm compounding my account. You're welcome to join me, guys. Forget about stop loss, man. I did that for a couple of years, and, you know, I had my moments. But I'm tired of giving back, man. You can see I only lost a couple of trades all year. With NAS, you notice with NAS, it just goes up and down, constantly up and down. So that's it, guys. That's how I did it. And, you know, come and join me, man. Give me a like, subscribe. I'll see you at 9 o'clock in the morning. And cheers, guys. Thank you for stopping by, man. God bless you. Have a great day on purpose. And I'll see you guys on the lives. Thanks, brother.